HP has a line of durable textiles, if you will, durable fabrics. What durable means is it gets a 4 or better in a dry crock test. In practical terms, it means that you can direct print. It looks beautiful. It's always been true about latex. And the scratch and scuff resistance is significantly improved from anything we've done before. This product is by Top Value Fabrics. On the media locator, it may come in as Ulrich. Top Value Fabrics is the distributor for North America. Top Value Fabrics carries this line of performance latex products which are durable. I think they have 6 SKUs at this point. The Digi Fascination, this is the DigiPanorama, the Digi Stretch, the Digi Competition I like a great deal. This is really kind of one of their flagship products, the DigiPanorama. I run this at every trade show. It looks beautiful, it's durable, it's easily available, the price is very reasonable. I have this cut all with the MCT laser cutters. This is a fantastic product. I strongly recommend it if you're involved in fabrics. We like our durable fabric line because durable fabrics are going to be a step up in scratch and scuff resistance, and I think that answers a lot of the problems or questions that people have had in the past is, can I get a little better? Can you find me a fabric? Can you make me a profile that will give me a little better adhesion, that will work a little better for scratch and scuff? Well, thus far it was really maybe. I had certain coated fabrics that seemed to resist scratching a little better. This is developed specifically for latex. It has a treatment that allows the ink to land on it. It doesn't smell, it doesn't affect the hand of the fabric, and I think it gives you options in fabrics that you could do virtually anything you see in a trade show. Roll-up banners, silicon edge graphics, front lit, all of that. Most trade show applications at this point could all be done directly with a latex printer. You can use it to print on these textiles. And Top Value Fabrics, they're one of our key partners building out this durable fabric line. Highly recommended, readily available, great stuff. Been running it. You'll see it a lot at SGI 18 in Las Vegas. Highly recommend if you get a chance, take a look at it. This is a great product, and Top Value Fabrics really has made a nice contribution to durable digital textiles or fabrics for latex, especially for your 3 and 5 series, but this is also available in full-size 10-foot rolls for our larger latex printers.